Tita Maria Mercedes Matic, happy birthday. Galing po sa amin sa PHLB Radio Las Vegas. Celebrate!
Hello po, Nanay Maria Mercedes. Happy birthday po. God bless you mula po sa amin lahat dito sa PHLB Radio sa Las Vegas, Nevada. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mama Mercedes.
Let's go!
Happy birthday, Mama Mercedes.
Happy birthday, Mama Mercedes.
My phone, just my phone.
Po, Nanay Maria Mercedes. Hope to see you soon.
Day to that. This is Chris Lagman from New York. Enjoy your day and God bless you always.
Hi, Ate Dodette. I hope you still remember me. So, I'm Charming, yung friend ni Ate ni since high school na laging tambay sa bahay ninyo at nakikikain na rin palagi. So, I would like to greet you a very happy birthday. I pray that God will continually bless you and the whole family with peace, joy, and of course, love. And also, I pray that God will give you wisdom and knowledge in every season of your life. I hope okay lang kayo dyan and mag-ingat kayo palagi. See you all soon. Uwi na kayo, hindi na kami galit. Bye!
Happy birthday, Tita Odette. Wish ko sa'yo. I wish you more birthdays, healthy. Parehas na tayong very busy. Happy 60th birthday. Okay, God bless. Happy birthday ulit. Happy birthday to you.
Hi, Dad. Wishing you the best birthday ever. I love you and enjoy your day. God bless.
Hi, Ate Dodette. Happy birthday po. Greetings from Manila, Philippines. Ingat po kayo palagi. Stay safe and healthy. Regards po sa inyong lahat. Again, happy birthday po.
Hi, Mama Dodette. Happy blessed 60th birthday po. 60 is just a number. I know you always stay young, always in heart. So enjoy this new journey of your life. We pray that you always have a good health and of course, make more memories. Happy birthday. God bless you po.
Hello, everyone. I'm gonna wish my kumare, Maring Dodit, a very happy 60th birthday to you, Maring Dodit. Kumusta? Kumusta na kayo dyan? Sana, Mare, mag-enjoy ka sa 60th birthday mo. I miss you so much. Ang tagal na natin hindi nagkikita. So, I'm here in Saskatoon now, Canada, just for a visit. Regards to all out there. Once again, happy birthday, Maring Dudit. God bless you. And I wish you good health, happiness, and longer years of life. Bye! Enjoy!
Maring Dodette, happy birthday!
Hi, Dad. Kumusta? Happy birthday.
Hi, Dodette. Kumusta? Happy 60th birthday. Welcome sa family of senior citizen. Senior citizen ka na rin. Saya ang pagiging senior. Ako ay nagpapasalamat dahil napagtagumpayan mo ang pag-aaral ng mga anak mo, lalo na nung tayo ay ang mga anak mo ay nasa elementary grades, naging close tayo. Marami kang mga co-parent na naging friend ko na din. Namimiss ko yung mga yun. So, happy ako na napagtagumpayan ninyo ang inyong mga anak at pinagkalooban ng Diyos na makarating dito sa Amerika. Nihiling ko na itong pagpasok ng 60 mo ay bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay, enjoy na lang. Hiling ko kay Lord na bigyan ka pa ng maraming birthday at mahabang buhay. Yun lang. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Maria. We just want to wish you a happy 60th birthday, and we're wishing you love, and hopefully you have a great day here at Fort Apache Dental Group, and we hope to see you soon. Bye.
Hi, Maria. Happy birthday, and I just want to say hello and wish you a very, very happy birthday. And I wish I could be there. I'm sorry I couldn't make it, but hopefully I'll make it out there soon to see you guys and the family. But in the meantime, I want to wish you guys well and stay safe and May the Lord bless you and George, and hope you guys continue to stay healthy. Okay? So take care of yourself, and I'll see you soon. Have a happy birthday. Bye.
Hello, Sister Dodette. Happy birthday. I really miss you. Kailan ang uwi mo? Miss na miss ka na namin ng CFC. Ate Jo and Maribig. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Dodette. Happy 60 years, George.
We share more birthdays to come.
Saan na kayo dyan? Kami ito, okay lang kami ni Ate Nenet mo. Hi, Dodette. Happy birthday.
Welcome to Senior World.
Happy birthday, Sister Dodit. Sister Dodit. More birthday. Ka na? More birthday, ha? More birthday to come. Welcome to Senior World. Yeah, Senior ka na, ha? Enjoy ka dyan, ha? Enjoy yung celebration mo sa birthday. Happy birthday.
Hi, Tita. Happy birthday. I hope and pray that God grant you everything that your heart desires. I pray for your health, kay rin at ni Tito. Nawa pahabain pa ng Panginoon ang inyong buhay. I pray for your family. May your children continue to prosper po. Pati na rin po inyong mga apo. I pray na maging mapagpala pa ang inyong mga susunod na taon po. Thank you for being our coordinator when you were here in Manila. And I pray that you would always be under the guidance and protection of our Lord. Maraming salamat po. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Dodette. Happy 60th birthday. We miss you. Kailan kaya tayo magkikita-kita nila Tita Letty and Tita Baby? Hope to see you soon.
Kailan kaya kayo magbabakasyon Pilipinas?
Si Papa G.
Magaling na si Papa G, pwede nang mag-basketball. Ano, yung iba, dual citizen lang, ikaw, tatlo pa. Filipino citizen, American citizen, ngayon senior citizen. Dami. Happy birthday, God bless, thank you.
Happy birthday, Sister Dodette.
Happy birthday, Sister Dodette.
Alam ko malapit na po ang birthday mo. Sana maging masaya ang iyong birthday kasama ang buong pamilya. Siyempre, kasama si Papa G.
Sana magkita rin tayo.
Welcome to the club. Senior citizen na po kayo. 60 na pala kayo. Happy 60 birthday. Saka,
God bless.
sana po marami pang kaarawan ang dumating sa inyo. God bless po, Sister Dodette. Lagi po kayong mag-iingat.
Bye-bye, Sister Dodette.
Happy birthday.
Happy 60th birthday, Ate Dodette. God bless.
Musta ka na ta? Miss you. Happy 60th birthday and happy senior day. Enjoy your day and enjoy your senior discount. Miss kita, tita, kaya hindi ko alam kung ano sasabihin ko. Parang nakikwentuhan lang tayo, no? Hope to see you soon and I miss you. I love you. Happy born day. See you soon!
Happy 60th birthday, Dodette. God bless.
Happy birthday from Levi and Noah. Hi, this is Noah. Happy birthday. I miss you and love you.
Happy birthday, Chloe Jameson. Stewie! Happy birthday, Tita Dad. Thank you for taking care of us for a long time. Yeah, I can't think of anything else.
Happy birthday. Wish you many more birthdays to come. God bless.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, and miss you, love you. What else? And see you soon.
Hello po tita, hindi ko alam kung naalala mo pa ako pero gusto lang kita batiin sa kaarawan mo. Happy 60th birthday po sa iyo and I hope there are more blessings to come and more birthdays to come. Enjoy po kayo.
Hi tita, happy birthday.
Happy birthday tita.
Hello tita, dahil hindi po ako napunta ngayon, ito na lang po yung short greetings ko para sa inyo. Happy birthday, tita!
Happy birthday, Tita. Then thank you for caring for our cousins, Ate Yana, Ate Erin, and Ellie. Have a good day and wish you good health. And I hope to meet you in person.
Happy birthday, enjoy your day. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita. Enjoy your day.
Maligayang bati sa iyong kaarawan, Ate Dodet. Wala na akong iba pang masasabi kundi happy birthday!
Happy birthday! May God bless you always and your family. We miss you already. Happy birthday ulit!
Birthday, Dodet. Sana masaya kayong ngayon dyan sa birthday mo. Sana marami pang birthday ang dumating sa'yo. Birthday ulit. God bless! Bye! Hi! Happy birthday, Dodet!
Happy birthday, Ate Dodet!
Hello, Tita. Happy birthday. Wish you a good health. Hello to everyone.
Hello there, kumusta kayo dyan? Happy birthday, Dad. Long life of prayer ko sa'yo. Happy birthday to you. God bless.
Happy 60th birthday, Ate Dodet. May this new life of yours bring you excellent health and more reasons to smile. Salamat sa pagmamahal na ibinibigay mo sa aking mga pamangkins, sa aking kapatid, at lalo na sa iyong mga apo. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Muli, happy birthday. I love you.
Hi, Dad. Happy 60th birthday. Wishing you good health and more birthdays to come. God bless you. More power.
Happy birthday, Ate Dodet. May you have many more birthdays to come. Mga anak po ni Narsing.
Hello, Dad. Musta ka na? Tagal na nating di nagkita, ha? Kamusta na rin si Dang Luming? Pasensya na, ha? Wala kasi yung mga alaga ko na magigreet din sana sa'yo. Batiin na lang kita ng happy birthday. Good health and always pretty. Sana nga magkita na tayo, no? To your day, Kas. Domo arigato. Tanjobi omedeto. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Tita!
Dad, happy birthday!
I love you!
Hello, Dad. Kumusta kayo dyan? Pati nang sa inyo ni mama mo. Kumusta ang trabaho mo dyan? Mag-ingat kayo, no? Sa araw na ito, binabati kita ng happy birthday. Nawa marami pang birthday ang darating sa inyo. At dalahin ko sa Panginoon na bigyan ka pa ng maraming birthday at malakas na pangangatawan. Ako si Ate Nita mo. Namimiss na namin kayo.
Happy birthday, Tidodet!
Happy birthday, Dad.
Namin ni Nanay. Sana yung good health at more birthdays to celebrate. Sana dito naman sa Pilipinas next time. Kumusta na lang kay Tia Lumeng? Ingat kayo palagi dyan.
God bless. Happy birthday, Dodet.
Happy 60th birthday, Dad. Wishing you a good health, more blessing, and have a many more birthdays to come. Enjoy your special day. I love you.
Happy birthday, Dad. More birthday to come. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Dodet. Wish ko po ang good health mo, more blessings para sa iyo, at stay beautiful as ever. Have happiness and long life. I love you and I miss you, Ate. Take care.
Happy birthday, Ate Mi. Stay sexy and lovely always.
Happy birthday, Dad. Wish ko lang sa'yo. Laway, lagi kang masaya sa buhay mo. At lagi kayong gabayan ng Panginoon. Love and miss you all. Mwah.
Hi. Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat dyan or gabi.
Binabati ko lang ang aking napakagandang pinsan. Happy 60th birthday, Odette. Happy birthday. 60 talaga, 60. Marami pa sanang blessing mula kay God ang dumating sa'yo. You deserve it kasi mabuti kang tao. Maging masaya at special sana ang araw na ito para sa'yo, Odette. At huwag mong pabayaan ang sarili mo. Tuloy lang sa pag-abot ng mga pangarap. At syempre, more blessing to come. Happy birthday. Again, I love you. I love you, Dad. Bye-bye.
Happy 60th birthday, Mama Dodette. We love you.
Maligayang kaarawan, Mama Dodette. Wish ko sa'yo ay good health and happiness. Lagi. Huwag mo masyadong stressin ang sarili mo. You have to enjoy your senior years now with family. Kayo pareho ni Papa G. Try to go somewhere para magpasyal. You can always visit us here kung gusto mo. Sana nga nandyan kami sa birthday mo but we can't. Sorry, but sana masaya ka sa party mo today at huwag iiyak ha. Alam ko umiiyak ka na ngayon pa lang. Love you. Mahal na mahal ka namin at lagi mong isipin na nandyan si Lord na nakasubaybay sa inyo palagi at lagi kayong i-guide. Happy birthday again. Bye!
Hello, Tidodette. Happy birthday. Senior citizen na. Dapat mindful na sa mga kinakain. Good health, long life, and happy birthday, and good health, and long life, and happy birthday, and good health, and long life, and happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Dodette.
Hi, Dad. Kumusta na kayo? Welcome to the Club 60. Wish ko lang lagi sa inyo, lalo na sa'yo, laging magandang health, laging maganda. Yun lang. Wala na akong ibang masabi eh. Lahat masasabi na nila lahat eh. O yun lang ako, basta ingat kayo lagi dyan. Lalo sa inyo, kay G, sa pamilya mo, sa akin na Chris. Lagi kang maganda ha, always beautiful ha. Happy, happy, happy birthday.
Hello, Ate Maria Mercedes. Isang mainit na pagbati sa kaarawan mo. No? Kaya mo, ninahan mo kung mag-60 ha. Okay, marami tayong magkikwentuhan pa pero nandito kasi maraming babati. Basta mamaya magpapapicture tayo. Okay. We love you. Ingat parate. Picture na. Okay. Ready?
Happy 60th birthday, Tita Dodette.
Welcome to the world of senior, Dodette. Sayang lang wala ka sa Philippines. Enjoy it. 20% discount. Anyways, we wish you all the best on your birthday. May you always have good health, long life, and happiness forever.
See you soon. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
At happy birthday kay Dodette.